Hey everybody, my name is Dadbod, and this is my tip and trick for the audience. Probably the note that we give the majority of pilots who come onto the show and submit their video for scoring is to fly low as much as possible. Get as close to a surface as possible. And so I've been thinking about making this video for a while. I'm just going to do a bunch of high-speed passes at different altitudes. You notice in the upper right-hand corner that the miles per hour stays at about 99 or 100 miles per hour as I do the passes over the exact same spot. The only thing that is changing is the altitude at which I'm flying. So the first pass was about probably 40 feet off the ground. Second pass is probably about 30 feet off the ground. Here we're going to get to be about, 15 feet off the ground, but I did go over the tops of the tents. And now we're going to drop to about 10 feet off the ground. Oh, sorry. That was probably about 2 feet off the ground. And this last pass here is right above the ground. Now, you can make up your mind for yourself, but to me, the lower you're flying, the faster it feels. And if it doesn't necessarily feel faster, it's definitely a lot more interesting to watch. So that's the tips and tricks I have for you. What are your tips and tricks? Be sure to submit in the Discord server under the Tips and Tricks channel. We will feature the best tips and tricks of every 2 weeks at the beginning of the show. Thanks so much. Bye.